Good morning, friends. This is CS Sarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Today we'll understand the behavior of Nifty and in the coming days how it is going to behave. And I will also show you our setup of the advanced indicators that we developed. Okay, so we are in the without wasting time, we are starting this entire analysis, and be mindful in following this so that you understand the mechanism. Now we are in a daily chart of Nifty, that is Nifty futures. So let me maximize this. Now in this chart, what we are saying is that these are the gaps that was drawn. Now how Nifty is behaving, or what Nifty can do, in the days to come. Okay. Now let's do one thing. What we can see in Nifty, that we have a rally from here to here. See, look, I am not using any indicator. I am just trying to make you understand the fundamentals. So once we have a, if we look for a projection, what we can see in the daily chart, we have a immediate resistance here. Okay, so therefore Nifty is bound to face resistance. So how many resistance we have here in the near term? You have a resistance here, we have a gap resistance here, a gap from where it is flowing. This gap was created here in December 15th. So therefore that gap has not been fulfilled, and at the same time we have also what we are seeing is this was previous resistance as well. Now there are another dimension to it, that this area is particularly looking at a bull trap area, absolute bull trap. So therefore if we look at the our automatic bull trap line, you also have a bull trap here. So therefore one bull trap, one this line, your retracement line. So all those are actually telling that Nifty is going to face a lot of hurdle to cross up. But what will happen is, if we have if you can successfully cross this particular level, this is the level, and that is 18848, it, and you'll have another stop at 9239, but the all-time high would also break. Okay, but at the same time it is also likely to face a big resistance. After a long downtrend, it has got a rally, so it will also take a pause. It might take a pause. So now let me also show you our setup, that this automatic setup actually this actually tells you, forecast you that in what are the dates when the Nifty is likely to change. So the methodology is very simple here. So once we have the history size, we take the high and low of a date and ask them to apply the Pythagoras theorem and other other trigonometric rules that GAAN has actually told. So those mathematical models are built in here. So therefore in advance you will know that what is the date, what are the date that Nifty is likely to change. Like these are all dates that are forecasted. So these things are available for purchase. So once you have these things in mind, you can contact me for understanding this, and then you can consider buying. We have a super indicator here, which super indicator does. Super indicator काम क्या है? I will just show you a few things which the super indicator does. If you look at the super indicator here, now look where the signal was generated. So price reversing early signal, buy above the support line. So this is one dimension. Second dimension is this arrow, this particular blue arrow. Third dimension is the sell exit. So therefore, and the fourth important confirmation that it has gone above the cobra line. So therefore if we look at all these only has actually given you a very good signal, and this comes rarely. It's not that it comes every day. Once we get this signal, then thereafter you can see what is the length, what is the rally. Similarly, in Nifty right now it is actually giving you a signal that this is the all-time high line plus price reversing early signal it has generated. Okay, so therefore I should be cautious. I should not be emotional that but that I'll be jumping my gun to buy. Okay, so what I will do is I will wait till my bull trap line is closed and this particular gap which was created in December 15th gets nullified or broken. If it is not happening, there are two combinations. One is Nifty can go sideways for some time and then you can go up, or it will actually take a retracement. Okay, now this is one part of it. And I also use another signal that is our that is the signal from RSI. This is basically what Nifty was telling. Look, this is the positive reverse divergence here. So therefore, once I have a positive reverse divergence up to this level, Nifty has taken a taken it upside right, because this is positive reverse divergence. It is already it has given another 5 dimension. So therefore, once I have the dimensions, and here you have the ADX forecastings here. So therefore, once it is ADX has gone past beyond 26, 27, 30, it is likely to take a U-turn. Okay, so this is the forecasting for Nifty. These are the solar numbers automatically calculated: 18279, 18639. So 18639 is coming up eventually. So therefore 18639, let us see how far is it. 18639 would be very close here, and it is eventually falling in the window range. And then we have the last resistance at 18999. So these things are all automatic calculated. Like if I show you Bank Nifty, then you'll also understand that Bank Nifty also has given a pattern here, and then there are a good rally. But in Bank Nifty we do not have a sell reversal sign like like Nifty has generated here. If you see this line, Nifty has generated a sell signal here. But in the Bank Nifty, if you look at, this is not happening. So therefore Bank Nifty has still some stream left, although it is facing a band resistance and a significant Fibonacci resistance. But all these things are happening, and we are able to control the trade. We are able to forecast the trade, so that it is we can perform a very confident and high probability trade. And this is the RSI setup, where you can see the different time time frame how it is behaving, and green is rising and red is falling. So this is the setup. If you want to be part of the setup, you can contact me, and this is a very exciting setup for anyone to have it. So if you consider in a Zoom meeting with me, you can also do so. You can send me a request. Okay, so this is Swarup Ghosh. Bye bye for now from Stock Show Deck. Take care.